In the heart of old Lagos, where the Atlantic breeze met the sound of drums and laughter, Juju music was born. It began in palm wine bars, where friends gathered, sharing stories to the beat of talking drums and guitars. Then came Tunde King, a young Lagosian who shaped these rhythms into a new sound, blending Yoruba traditions with modern melodies. Soon, the whole city danced. From street corners to radio waves, Juju became the voice of Lagos, joyful, proud, and timeless.